The 2026 Toyota Camry marks a bold evolution in Toyota's iconic sedan lineup. With a futuristic design, state-of-the-art technology, and improved performance, the Camry reaffirms its position as a leader in the midsize sedan market. The front fascia of the 2026 Camry is a masterpiece of modern automotive styling. It features a sculpted grille with a honeycomb pattern that seamlessly integrates into the aggressive LED headlights. At the rear, the 2026 Camry showcases an elegant yet athletic design. Sleek taillights connected by a thin lidded strip create a cohesive and futuristic look. The sporty rear bumper features integrated dual exhaust outlets and a subtle diffuser for added aerodynamic appeal. The overall rear design communicates performance and sophistication, appealing to drivers seeking a premium aesthetic. Inside, the 2026 Camry offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and metallic accents elevate the ambience. A massive central touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. A fully digital gauge cluster provides customizable driving information. Under the hood, the 2026 Camry is expected to offer a variety of powertrains. Base engine, a 2.5-liter inline-4, delivering efficient and smooth performance. V6 option, a 3.5-liter V6 for drivers seeking more power and thrilling acceleration. Hybrid model, a plug-in hybrid version providing outstanding fuel economy and low emissions, perfect for eco-conscious buyers. The 2026 Toyota Camry is expected to be competitively priced within its segment. Base model, $28,000. Mid-range models, $35,000, $40,000. Hybrid or performance models, $42,000 and above.